Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to express the function in the form f of g. Just a reminder, f of g refers to the composition f of g of x. And we are looking for two functions that will result in this overall function. So if we see the most outermost thing that's being done is this cube root. Therefore, we can say that if our outer function is the cube root of x, when we're taking f of x, we just have the cube root of x. When we're taking f of g of x, we're taking the cube root of g of x. So whatever's in the root, g of x, equals x over 1 plus x. Just to recircle it back to this, we're doing f of g of x. So this is f of x over 1 plus x. Therefore, we're plugging x over 1 plus x into the cube root because it's the function f taking it on. Therefore, we get back to our original function, and we can see that these are two of the functions that will result in the form f of g equals the cube root of x over 1 plus x.